It's Matthew, your virtual host again. We're back here in the MakerSpace with our friend Clayton, and he's going to show us how to make a marble maze today. Doesn't that sound like a whole bunch of fun? So what do we need in order to get this done today, Clayton?
Okay, in order to get this done, we first need our essential tools. So we need scissors, ruler, pencil, piece of paper. Here is our cardboard base. I recommend like a 10-inch by 20-inch. And here, you guys can see we have cardboard scraps. I've cut everything out for the purpose of this video. But here's an uncut piece for an example. Same thing, we will have a paper towel roll that I've cut in half for this video. Optional, we have a paper cup to catch the marbles at the end. And then we have our hot glue gun and our hot glue sticks.
Now, is that a really hot glue gun?
No, it's not a really hot glue gun. It's
Okay.
a low temperature hot glue gun.
But
So,
they should still be careful, just
Yes.
in case, because you don't even want to get a light temperature burn either.
of course. Alright, so like I said before, I have a bunch of pieces cut out already, but for the sake of the video, I will demonstrate. So really all you do is, you start out with the design, and here's mine. Pretty simple, there's just two starting points, and they just kind of bounce off each other until they all funnel down into one point, and then it's not pictured here, but underneath would be the cup.
Wow! So that would be the toilet paper roll
Yep.
then, or the paper towel rolls,
Yes.
I guess.
Either works. And then after that, this doesn't have to be exactly, but you just transfer it over to your base. Same thing, two starting points, funnel down into here, and then with the paper cup.
Oh, with the roll going right here and going right here.
Yep.
Wow!
Alright, so now it's time to get to applying some things. So like I said before, I have one uncut piece of cardboard. It's pretty simple. You just, these lines that you've drawn, you lay it down against them, just make a rough mark as to how long it'll be. Take your straight edge ruler and just kind of eyeball it. That looks good to me. And what my recommendation is, each piece is 3 to 4 inches long, so I'm going to measure that off really quick. Just so happens this is like 3.5 inches, so that works for me. So now we're going to take our trusty scissors and cut off a piece. And don't worry if it's not completely perfect. If each piece isn't the same length or width, that's just fine. Alright, so now, here, I have my hot glue gun already heated up. What I do is, to the bottom side of the piece, just a thin piece of hot glue. Just like so. It's okay if it gets a little messy. And that same line you measured, you're just going to press it down with a little bit of pressure, not too much. And now while it dries, just hold it in place. Or if you get lucky, it'll hold itself in place.
So I take it dries really fast sometimes.
It does. So feel it, it's already kind of dried here. So what you want to do now is each side, you want to add a thick layer of glue to kind of reinforce it. So when those marbles go bouncing off of it, nothing breaks. Just like so. And then once again, just wait for that to dry, and then you repeat the same process for each piece.
And build your way all the way down.
Exactly, and it doesn't matter which order it's in. I do warn you, if you don't start from top to bottom, sometimes they're at awkward angles, so those 2 second layers of glue can't always be perfect, but that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, so now you're going to show us this, but a little bit faster, right?
Yes, hopefully.
Okay.
Yep.
Clayton's made for us. Thank you so much for doing this. Can we try it out now?
Of course.
Alrighty. Hey! And it's okay if it's not totally perfect. It's still fun to do, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Well, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed this and that you're out there staying safe and washing your hands.